Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the stop motion videos on TikTok. So what is stop motion? So stop motion is an animated filmmaking technique in which objects are physically manipulated in small increments between individually photographed frames. So they'll appear to exhibit independent motion or change when the series of frames is played back. So as you can see, each of these movements are one photograph and they're all stitched together to make a video. So let me show you how to create these kind of videos on TikTok. So first you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Next you want to tap on search and you're searching for stop motion. So TikTok has an effect which is called stop motion and that will help you create the video. So here under effect, look for stop motion, which just looks like this. Now this is the icon which you're looking for. Now once you're ready, go ahead and tap on use this effect. This will take you into the TikTok's recording screen. And as you can see, it'll give you clear instructions. So you have your animation creator. So you need to tap the screen to capture a frame. And if you want to add more frames, just keep tapping it. Once you're done with that, tap on the record button and that will basically stitch all the photos into one video. So let's start. So for this, I'll use my rear camera. So I'll tap on the screen once. So there you go. This is the view. So I'll tap once, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, it gives you a preview of what you have taken before. So you get an idea of where to put the object in your next frame. As you can see here, you've got some frames and seconds details. So it shows you how many frames you have taken and how many seconds video this will be created. So I'll just keep creating one. As you can see, I've taken 96 frames. That will equal to 9.6 seconds worth of video. So now once you're done, go ahead and tap on the record button. And as you can see, it is stitching all the frames into a video. And there you go, it has created a video for you in stop motion. Now you can go ahead and add your text, stickers, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go, that is how to create stop motion videos on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.